G'day Curd Nerds. During a recent live stream, fellow Curd Nerd Paul Gerish approached me to donate some cheesemaking kits to those in need during the festive season. With both Paul's generous support and my help, we are proud to be able to spread some serious cheesy joy with our cheesemaking kit giveaway for those in need. These cheesemaking kits have been donated to help 4 families who are currently experiencing financial difficulties so they can start their own cheesemaking adventures. We're giving away 4 custom cheesemaking kits packed with everything you need to craft your very own homemade cheese. These kits include top quality ingredients, essential tools, and not one but both of my cheesemaking ebooks so you can create amazing cheese at home. From rennet to a basket and a cheese press, we've got you covered. We know that times are tough and believe everybody deserves the joy of making and tasting their own cheese. And that's why we're reaching out to those who could use a little extra support right now. Here's how you can participate. Simply visit our website, fill out the application form that I've created, and share a bit about why you or someone you know could benefit from this giveaway. We'll be selecting deserving recipients to share the love and spread the cheesy goodness. The link to the form is located in the video description down below. Remember, the deadline to apply is midnight, January the 2nd, 2025, Australian Eastern Daylight Time. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to start your cheesemaking journey with a little help from us. The lucky recipients will be contacted by email first, and their submissions will be read out aloud during the announcement video. Thank you for being part of the Curd Nerd community. Let's make some cheese and make a difference together in 2025. Well, thanks for watching, Curd Nerds, and I'll see you next time.